take the 50 and down, yeah? I mean, I support the community. See?
What in it for us?
Good morning, family. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, so today I'll be doing something special, what I never done before. You know, so I'm gonna take you down on a trip in my community and the next community after. So what I would like you to do, just keep it eye through the day and, you know, be nice. Anyway, so right away I'm making my journey on foot, right? You know, yeah, as I could say, there's no car in the garage today, no cars around, so it depends on my foot, me alone when I do this today by myself. And this is my actually scenery from where I'm living, from my house. And actually this is my house, as you could see. It are finished anyway, but I will go into more detail on that there anyway, because as you can see, it's a quite a good size house anyway, and I'm very proud of myself to actually achieving to building this house here from scratch. So this house itself, there was nothing here, nothing, not even those coconut tree or those palm tree, none of those things was here, you know, just only what you could see like down in the field here, just only empty common, right? We is actually first to build around here anyway and start from nothing. So there's nothing used to be around here, no trees, nothing, just like that anyway. So right now on my way down to this place, I'm telling you, I just like a surprise. Yeah, so bear with me. Yeah, so I just quarter pull my gate and close it back because I'm not driving. This is foot thing today, walking. So yeah, so people, yeah, I'm so excited to bring everyone into my village and my house where I actually started. The best place to start something like this is right in my house, my yard, you know, and then into my community. So actually this channel here is a brand new channel, nothing on it, nothing, no subscriber, not even one view. I don't even, this will be the first upload to this channel. So I hope when you full joy, I use this as my my way, or some Jamaican would use this as this term, full joy, instead of ending the joy, because I'm full joy in the joy, I'm not ending the joy, you know. So whenever you hear I use full joy, it is actually I'm full joy in it, not ending in the joy, because my life is full of joy as well. You know, in life you have the ups and downs, you know, but most of the time I'm so contented, I'm so grateful with life to see even this bright sunny day and, you know, living actually. So life is just like that there, where I'm not a person who try take on unnecessary stress in life. I'm a living person, you know, and I'm living right now. So I will actually live. So this is my driveway going out to the main road. Yeah, so yeah, stay with me and let's full joy the day. It will be a little surprise anyway, you know. Yeah, so from scratch What I mean, from scratch, from zero to up to something, you know. As this channel is a brand new channel, my name is Hugo. So the channel name is You Go, I Go. So it's everything in one, right? So I hope when I go, you go with I as well. See it? Yeah. So nice this, you know, I love life. And I hope I can bring a lot of joy to other people out in the world, you know, just like this. So this road, what I'm coming out to, is our community road. There are many community live further down that way there, and that's the direction I'm going. But this is not actually main road. This is part of one of the side road, you know, because there are many road on this island. Jamaica, yeah, is a lot of road. There are some road is very bad to adventure on, but this one, yeah, I could show you right up there from a place called Leety Cross Road. The road is pretty much good, as you can see so far, but where we are going now, it's getting a little bit bumpy and rocky, and you know, for the cars, not for foot anyway, because I'm on my foot. Across over there, my neighbors over there now, they have a thing you call, I should go back and show it to you anyway. Yeah, show it to you. As you can see, it's a Montego Bay mine, limestone, yeah, mall, yeah. So that's what they actually use on the roads, or you could use it for many reasons. You could use it for paint, you know, and also tablet, you know, if the quality, I'm not sure about the quality of that mall. If the quality is very good, then you could use it for a lot of these other things anyway. But mainly right now they use it as a constructor thing. Put it on the road. If you're doing a commercial building, you could put it there and then press it out, level it out, and then yeah. So I'm on my way down to the it's a surprise. I will take it in stages, right? Alright. Right down the road, blessed love. I see. Yeah, man just to fix his truck tire, you know. Yeah. As I was saying, the road get a little bumpy, but this brethren who live over there, so as my neighbor as well, is a really kind of good brethren, because the road get mashed up and he takes some of those marl, you know, some people might call it limestone, and try to fill in these little pothole on the road, you know. So that's very good of him anyway to still, and at time he uses tractor to clear the pathway anyway, if it build up with too much rubble along the sidewalk anyway, you know. So he's a very good neighbor anyway. So let's go. Still in my community, yeah. And that's how my community still look. You know, most of Jamaica are I would say 80% of mountain hilly, you know. So today my walk going down where I'm going as a surprise anyway. I hope I can make it, because I've not done any walk for a long time like this anyway. And it's roughly about 3 miles or 2.5 miles, you know. I don't know how many kilometers that is anyway, because I'm still in that old fashion of miles. But yeah, it says it's a quite a walk, but most of it is downhill. See? So yeah, and you know, I'm full of joy, and yeah, just come with me still, and everything be just like how you imagine Jamaica is, because it's such a nice island. I love this island, you know. Yeah, and I travel few places. I will mention that little later on in the video, you know, a few countries I have traveled, but for now I'm just sticking to Jamaica right now. See? All right, so yeah, as we go along, I just introduce and show you the little local things in my communities. Yeah, so let's walk, and let's go. There's a little stream down here, so this is the first time I'm actually gonna take a step down here to see what it's like. And what I understand from many years upon years, right? This being here from quite a while most of the community before the water commission actually run water pipes. So this is where most people usually get their water from in the long time days. This is my first time actually coming down here, and it's not looking too bad. The water is very clean. Oh gosh, oh beautiful. I never knew it was like this here, you know. So I'm gonna come back down here next time again when the seasons get much drier, because I'm surprised it still have so much water there. I didn't know that was so much water running there, you know. This is my first time, you know, walking down to this. Like I drive past here most of the time, and I don't ever feel I ever walk along this road. Most of the time I usually drive, I never actually walk, you know. So stay with me and we'll see what there to see. Yeah, so as you can see, as far as you can see right now, still walking. Just take a moment to capture the landscape a little bit, because just natural and green. Jamaica is like this, you know. Many more countries in the world is much greener and rainy, but you know, I love this little area because sometimes, yeah, I'm driving along here, look up, although the weather is so hot, I'm sweating right now because I forgot my hanky, or what some people call it kerchief, what you use and dry your face with. So right now I'm so hot, you know, but in this little area I'm so cool right now. I'm feeling so cool because of this nature and greenness around right now. See, yeah, that's lovely. Well, I'm coming up to a little virgin shop. Hey, let's go and see him. That's what it's like. Blacks! The about? Yeah, man. Seeing. So right now, I watch football, I feel, you know, I'm a football addict, see? It was a bridging, a good bridging of the community, you know, since support and supply everything in the community, see? So, you know, as I say, I'm going to show you a little bit of what I go on, because I'm watching this football, see? When I first used to drive along this road here, and I see this little thing cut out, it was not this big, but I said, I wonder what's going on there, because I didn't even know house was up there. You know, I didn't even know house was up there. So I was wondering, what's going on here, so? And take a little time, and then I realized him have one car start to wash. No, you know, him have many, just one man alone doing this one job here by himself, you know. And he's actually set up this place here for community, more like less, you know. His ambition is to have all games, if he can do that there along here for to support the community. When I call this shop, him don't like it at all, because he don't class as a shop. Him says it's a community center, right? So Blacks, introduce yourself as a man in the community, see?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, respect, man. Can't do by surprise, but anyway, you know, we like the move still, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know. My name is Carl Moore. I'm calling Mr. Moore in our community. I don't know. Leader of an independent organization, EYU, in the community, which means every youth united, you know. we are an organization where deal with youth development through sports and entertainment, right? You know, I'm the coach for the primary school in the community, and also adult team as well. We participate in the corner leagues and so forth. You understand? Right now, we have an event coming up this Sunday. You know, we're a 4-in-1 competition where we do netball, football, domino, and cultural arts. The cultural arts is DJ and sing, and we were the champion for this surroundings. I will call ourselves Southern St. James. You know, so we are going to be the champion at St. James now this Sunday down at the community college, Montego Bay, you know? Yeah, basically that's it, you know?
Yeah, man, nice to know, sir. We have somebody in the community and look out for the youths then, because the most important thing, you know, the youth development, you know, because right now sometimes most of the youth them gone astray if them don't have anything to do, and this is one man who makes sure in something going on around here. Recently, he called me and asked me about a rhythm he sent to me anyway, because you know me is a studio man too, right? And asking me if me still have a rhythm, but unfortunately I misplaced it somewhere anyway. And he called me just after and tell me say the tune I was looking for was an artist he wanted to go into a competition, and that artist become first. You know, see? Yes, so he's a really good coach for the area, you know, see it? Yeah. And I was explaining about where you're starting from zero to doing what you're doing right now. Yes, and if anywhere there anyone could support or sponsor any little thing along here, you know, I'm gonna put his link in the description, right?
Yes.
See, that's how one could support anyway, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So him just only have one car here, but sometimes I come here and he have a 4 car, just him alone working here, you know. You know, sometimes I don't really come here because it's too much time for me to sit down and or to get a chat. I don't want chat with him while I'm doing his work and taking away from his business, right? So anyway, I'm so privileged to we meet a brethren like this in a community and know say we are living one love and harmony, not true?
Yes, man, every time.
Yeah, you know, see it. And it's a good community still, because we don't have too much problem around here either. No.
But we still have to put in systems in place so the youth them don't stray.
All right.
You know, because as I said, too much the youth them I hear too much negatives right now in terms of the music them we are going, because the type of music them we are trend right now are the wrong type of music. So we have to have systems in the place to guide the youths them, you know, and try to promote some good music from out our community to you know, and ensure that our talents them in our community do the music the right way. You understand? And send messages in for them music, positive message that people want to hear, where everybody can listen.
Straight from the mouth of the bridging sale anyway, to show you what I'm actually dealing with anyway. Seeing? You know, a car just passed by just now, just there, and you know, he actually stopped and asking me if I want a ride, you know. But today I'm in the walking mood to show you I don't have to walk if I don't want to. You come into the past, you know, a lot of one know me right here and know say, you know, I don't have to know no wrongdoing, everything is good. I'm just here to support the community. So yeah, so there are a lot of opportunity in certain little ways, you know, if you know how to get it anyway. See? And actually, as I was mentioning about this road is not really a main road, you know. Blessed brethren, highway, yeah man. Yeah, it is not really a main road, but it quite get busy nowadays anyway. If you should look on the map, the original map, you know, most maps have like white line, yellow line, red line, and blue line. I would say this one here would come under the white line, you know, because this road leads to the main road, you know, the main road, and that's called Anchovy Road. So anyway, I will bring you around Jamaica as much as I can and show you my little scene, what I can show you around Jamaica. So, you know, just stay with me Yeah, bamboo. This is my first experience of stopping here. As I said before, this is my first ever walk down this road here, you know, and I didn't know this type of gully or job. You know, look at it. Anyway, yeah, this is my first time. You know, I just love bamboo as well. You know, Jamaica used to have a lot more bamboo than this. You know, because people are not using bamboo like how we used to use it before. You know, we usually make it kitchen, even house. You call it wackle house and wackle kitchen. So what they would do actually, twine it into to place. I don't know how to explain that now. And also maybe use some mud, actually mean dirt, and straws, just like the African style, because the original African tradition and way, you know, Jamaica still adapting way to build their little thing. As I walking and looking down there, I didn't realize, you know, I don't know if you could actually see it. What a beautiful little place. It's nearly like a river, but it's not a river. This is like a stream, because I'm sure sometime it will dry up a little bit anyway, apart from those little holes up the beginning, up where I show you. Maybe there are little spring still there, you know. So that's where it go. Yeah. Yeah, man, lot of bamboo. But these bamboo, you will see what we do with this bamboo in the long run. And I'm venturing right there soon. You know, I don't know how much more minutes to there, but I would say I'm 3/4 away of the journey so far, and I'm full enjoying myself. Oh gosh, man. Oh mercy, you know, if you should see me, it's like I'm laughing, you know, in my mind, you know, just the way I live anyway. Nice. And as I see, most of these bus, what your mini bus, what driving along here, they are special. Reason why they are special, you know, they are coming from somewhere, the same place I'm going right now, you know. Oh, I love to talk, you know. Yeah, you know, so this is part of the community we are getting to. Soon I'll be there. Oh, oh mercy, is there a pig over there, sir? I don't know if you could see it, you know. It's the biggest pig I ever see from a long time. When I'm in the editing mode, I will actually maybe try to way to zoom it up. That's one could actually see. But I didn't even know those pigs are very big. You know, it's not much pig around like before in Jamaica. Because when I was young growing up here, you know, there's a lot of pig roaming the street everywhere, especially in Kingston. When you are entering to the main part of Kingston, just coming out of, you know, a place called Spanish Town and going to Kingston, you know, it used to be so rough and, yeah, rough and a lot of pigs, garbage. Kingston used to be a dirty city before, you know. Yeah, used to be a very dirty city before, but now it getting much cleaner. You don't see that anymore, you know. And Jamaica getting that way right now still anyway. I just so proud of the little things, you know, some people are adapting to make the place. But before, Kingston used to, so that's why I'm saying about the pigs. A lot of pigs used to roam the street because of so much garbage used to on the street, you know. So yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, that's a bridging house from over where I used to. I checked him out before, but I feel say maybe in the state, you know. I just can't remember his name because a long time, you know, I've met up with him, and I don't know if he's over there, this old property for sale. Also, yeah. See, everyone always kind of keep me going down, you know, cause yeah, it's a lovely vibes. People just friendly, and people just like to say hello. It's not a place where people just stuck up and, you know, pass each other without, you know. It's a great jive vibes anyway. But you know, although still you have the the 1 and 2 people who might, you know, but I don't take no notice of that. I just love to see bananas and trees, you know. I just love it. Yeah. And I will bring you back into my yard and show you some banana, because we always have banana, even one bunch of banana. What I mean by bunch, that's one bunch of banana there. So I don't remember when this bridge was built by the British, but this bridge is very old, you know, and you're going to see the reason why I'm coming down here. Yes, so today I'm gonna show you, yeah. And this is a surprise I was telling you about, people. Look here, this is the highlight of this community. These are the bamboo raft. Remember I tell you about the bamboo raft earlier, what they do with the bamboo. So this is all these bamboo, some of these bamboo to see there up there. But I feel there are other places where them go and chop the bamboo, you know. Yeah, so let's take a little walk over there and see what it's like. So we are in a Leyte square, you know. I hope I can see a bridging called Pampy. Him is one of the main bridging I usually deal with most of the time when I come down here. So I hope I can bump into him, you know, to make him give me a little more insight concerning the rafting thing. See? Yeah. Blessed ones and ones, yeah man, Iris, see? A YouTube thing, see? Yeah, see? Yeah. So as I can see, the amount of cars, vans, minibus I'm talking then, see? Along here, going to do that raft is a very popular place. And around here, there used to be a zip line around there, you know. It kind of closed down now. So that's the road you usually take to the zip line before. And now it kind of closed down. So this is the main attraction down here right now. Blessed King, blessed. Yes. Huh? No, a foot I do it, you know. See? Yeah. Yeah, man, you know that still every time. See? Yeah. Yeah, so let's go have a look in, you know, on the vibes down here. I've been, as you know, the reason why that's bridging the hawks in me about anywhere, because I usually do a little guesting at my house, and then I usually bring people down here to the rafting thing. See, blessing. No man, you see me have the pan 1 foot thing today, see, a YouTube thing, see. Yeah man,
so
yeah.
what you shooting?
YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah.
So what it is for us?
What is for?
Yeah, what it is for us?
I feel the community, me I promote the community, see?
So you're from here?
Yeah? Hello, yeah? I'm from here.
Okay.
But you don't know why?
Like that. But you're from the community, but
Yeah,
youth
man.
them, I don't know say youth them around here, you know.
Yeah man, I
mean?
promote it. So anybody doing, you do rafting too?
Yes man, I do rafting.
Well, you can introduce yourself and
Right
send
now?
a link. Yeah, and send a link.
Right for the camera now?
Yeah man, it's
Okay,
live.
so my name is Rashawn, aka Stammer.
Yeah.
I lead the great rafting, alright? So, you know, I'm a good captain, good rafter. So, you know, you can come around here, you know, show your support, the love, you know?
If you feel free, you can send a contact. That's one can maybe contact
Okay,
you
so my
directly.
contact now, you can Instagram me at Rashawn 777 Rashawn 777 underscore Great River Rafting. Phone number 876-777-0294. Alright,
so in a couple of weeks time, right?
Okay.
You will see yourself on, at the YouTube,
Channel,
right?
right?
Bless it,
What's
yeah?
the channel when I come back?
I'm gonna tell you, the channel name is Hugo I Go. Cause really my name is Hugo.
So
You know,
you can go on YouTube and find right now?
you'll find the channel, but this is a brand new channel.
Okay, so
I already have a channel already, but this is a brand new channel. This is a zero everything. So from 0 to whatever it going to bring. So it is UGO
UGO
I Go.
I
Yeah, space it maybe.
still
Yeah, the black boat.
and go GO, right?
Yeah, GO. See? Yeah. So
Go subscribe.
when you find it and subscribe, and You know, there's nothing on it right now. Let me see if you find a logo. Let me see the top of it. And your link, man. I will send you a link. I will send you a link. And I'll come back and make sure everybody in the community can see themselves, right? Yeah, man. Bless you, King. Yes. Yes, yeah, me, I'll take a walk down this side. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Bless you. Yeah, you see, I got to make the virgin feel comfortable, you know, because some people, you know, them just maybe thinking about the quick things, seeing, and not thinking about the bigger picture, you know, sometimes. So you have to really know how to really deal with some people, you know, yeah. So that's how it is down at these places. So yeah, man, all of these rafting. I think that is rafting about maybe an hour or 2 hours, depends on how the captain see it and you feel, you know. What's that right then? Pumpy down in the area, this is one of the captain team.
Yeah, man, Pumpy do come in my work now.
If I work,
yeah.
See?
The pass up the road.
Oh, see, this one the captain of the raft, you know. If it's one of the next man, you would jolly bring my guests them.
Alright.
Bless it, love. See? Alright. See? So, yeah, man, it's a nice community, you know. Yeah. Yeah, me just decide to walk today, you know. We could drive, but yeah, it's a vibe me I build for the community, you know, because of my community, you know. We live up at near a crossroads still. Yeah. But so it's about 3 miles down my walk. See? Yeah, man, free, trust me. And you want to drive anyone you come to Jamaica, right? This is a YouTube channel now, see? Yeah, so if you come to Jamaica, you can introduce yourself as a driver still because
yeah, man, my name is Kevin McGrath.
Yeah.
Owner and operator of MacB's Tours. So when you come, you can link me, just search on the net and you find MacB's Stores on YouTube and link me. This is all what we do, we try and support each other.
Yeah,
we take care of you when you come here, so you don't have to worry about what is happening.
Yeah, true.
Good vibes, man.
True. And as you can see, you know, you can see his friendly and smiling face because this is Jamaica, you know.
Yes,
I
man.
can't even explain no more because I'm so full of joy right now myself and we're even in the community and I expose what's going on in the community scene. Yeah, man. So it's a great vibe and great joy.
Nice and nice experience. Everybody try to give your people a nice experience when they come down.
Yeah, man. See? So you know, bless it. See? Did you mention full joy?
Yes, man.
Oh,
full joy.
Hey, you know, saying at the beginning of this video, I explained, say we are full joy in life. We don't end in the joy. So, people, you can see it's not me alone use that word, right? Yeah. Yeah, man, there's a great vibes here, you know. I love it. So how beautiful these rafts are. Yeah. And they are reasonable price, you know. So all these contacts where I'm gonna send to you, you know, you get a real discount of it more than going through the big tourist board, you know, to book your ride. So yeah, man, that's it. Bless it. And everybody's friendly and nice, as you can see. This is Jamaica. Yeah, sweet Jamaica. Sweet Jamaica! Yes! Yeah, it's quite a while I've not been down here. But as you can see, jelly and seal. So anytime you want a jelly down here, just check this lady here, see? Yeah, we have a little star, little things going on. If you want your souvenir, it's all here, see? Yeah. So, yeah, man. Like them little shots are still. But you know that these are tourist things still anyway. I couldn't afford any of these. Not that I say I can't afford it, but you know, maybe I could get it somewhere else. So I do most of what I could do, you know, down here, and I'm planning to take a bus back up to my yard scene. So yeah, that's the next adventure now where I'm gonna do to take a bus going up back to my yard, see, because I wouldn't like to walk back up that hill, see, yeah. So yeah, just stick with me. And we're gonna take on the bus journey a little more. Alright, so if you say here, so we wait for the bus, you know, right on this little area, we wait for the bus. So must be right here, so we wait on the bus for real. Any little bus, mini bus pass or so. Yeah. Let me take one more look on the bridge again.
I'm on trying to try pauses right now, you know. And just under influence, make a bad drive.
Yeah, so the other side of the bridge look like. This is one of the buses. I'll go back up in that one there. So you come like a big people backyard is too. But then close and line, you know? Yeah. Nice day. So I'm waiting on a bus or a taxi. None of them passed here so yet. You know, so just a wait. Cars and many bikes and things passing by. Just have to wait until one come. Yeah. So the thing about what I love about Jamaica, all them places, the sugar cane and jelly, banana, right? Banana too. So you can't really get hungry. When you talk about hungry and food shortage, you can't have food shortage in Jamaica. If you see this is one of the bus, the mini bus, to go up them side there, you know. Yeah. So I take a mini bus, go up on my yard. Then bus is always full, you know. Seeing long time in a ride now on bus. Yeah. See the full. Oh no. Oh, so I have a little window seat. If you know.
Where are you?
I'm changing my mind. Squash up in the bus, you know.
Alright.
Long time you not take bus, you know. Yeah.
Nah, school jobs.
No man, yes. I stop by a sign where that car display. Sorry.
Yeah, what 20 dollars?
No, sir, no change at all. 50 and down, yeah? I mean, I support the community, see?
Alright.
Bless it, one love. Yeah, as you can see, I just made that mission and come back. Yeah, coming back to my beautiful yard where I love so much. Anyway, seeing, yeah, and I know sometimes I forget the driver a little tip because I haven't taken bus such a long time, you know, and I see that little minibus on the road all the time, you know, yeah, seeing. I don't know him personally, but you know, he's a community supporter, so yeah, I have to support them at the same time too, seeing. And when he was going out, I don't know if you didn't notice these cows, yeah, along here, seeing. And that's one of my, actually, this cow, all of these cows belong to the son of the man we purchased the land from, seeing. So all of these from all the way up there, as you can see, belong to the person who I did actually buy the land, and all the way down there actually it's a 5 acre where he lot out. So I have 1 acre up there, and so all of these belong to the same man still anyway. You know, it go a distance. Before, you know, he used to have his land is about a mile down the road there. So he used to have plenty land, you know. So yeah. And also over there as well, as far as your eyes could see along those mountains, it's not a really good scenery from here right here now. That house where I mentioned earlier, they own all those land. He got all the way back over those hills there. Seeing lot of acres of land, you know. It's quite a big farming they're doing over there, you know. Also they have cows over there as well, but we get a lot of vegetable from over there. Anyway, yeah.